Heartily welcome to that coding bro. Now let's start our problem. Now coming to today's problem, our problem is write a C program to find the perimeter of rectangle. Before going to that, we need to know what is meant by rectangle. Rectangle is nothing but a shape of box where this side is equal to this side and top side is equals to this side. This is top side is known as length and this side is known as width or breadth. Your wish, anything. This is known as rectangle. First of all, this is the rectangle where opposite sides are equal. This is known as rectangle. In your real life examples, here are few examples: mobile phone, TV, biscuit, school bag, and currency note. All these are examples. Now coming to rectangle, it will be like this. See, rectangle will be like this, where this is called length. As I told, this is called breadth or width. Okay. Now think that we have known the formula or definition of rectangle where opposite sides are equal. Now, what is meant by perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but I need to cover this rectangle. I need to dress up. Like, think I own this rectangle. This is my plot. I want to wear fencing. How much length fencing I need to take? For example, think this is 10 meters. This is 20 meters. Opposite sides are equal, right? So this is also 20. This is also 10. Now I need to keep a fence, some steel fence. How much length I need to take? This side 10 meter plus this side 20 meter 30 plus this side 10 meter 40, this side 10 meter 60, means total 10 plus 20 plus 20 plus 10. What we are doing? Length 2 times, breadth 2 times. In every case these both are same, right? So 2 times of 10 plus 20. By this way we will calculate the perimeter. Now we substitute in terms of variables. Now 2 times of length plus breadth. Okay, here multiplication, right? So multiplication. Now let's discuss this problem once again. See, if this is width, length, width, length, as I told, A equal to C, B equal to D, right? So A equal to C, B equal to D. Now if you want to do the perimeter, as I told, I need to do fencing. How I will do? A plus B plus C plus D. Now here A equal to C and B equal to D. What are the other names? This is known as length. Sorry, this is known as width and this is known as length. So 2 times of length plus width. This is formula, right? For example, take a rectangle where length is 100, breadth is 50. Now perimeter is 50 plus 50 plus 100 plus 100. Total 300. Else another formula is 2 times of 50 plus 100. Total 150 star 2. That is nothing but 300. Both ways are same. I use this. Okay. It is somewhat easier. Now see, algorithm. First of all, while writing a computer program, we need to start that program. In this case, to find the perimeter, we need to know length and width. So I am taking read length, read width, set. What is perimeter? 2 times of length plus width. And we need to display perimeter. Okay. After that, our work is done. We need to stop the program. Now let's go to the program. Whatever the program you are facing, if you I am explaining in C programming. If you want the same program in Python, Java, C++, you ping me in comments. I will send the code. Else you write this algorithm in ChatGPT and ask to convert in Python, Java, C++. You will get the program. All the programs, the logic is same. This is the logic. We need to read length, we need to read length, width, and we need to set perimeter is equals to 2 star length plus width, and we need to display perimeter. That's it. It is very easy program. Now coming to C program, first we need to declare some header files, hash include sto.h, and we need to start the main function. For every program, these 4 lines are same. You can write those 4 lines blindly for every program, whatever the question it is. From here, the real program starts. Before return 0, the real program ends. Okay. First, in this case, we need length, width, and to store this, we need perimeter. So I declared 3 things: length, width, perimeter, and length may be like 121.5 centimeter point, also possible. So I declared in terms of float. Okay. Now I am asking the user to enter the length of rectangle, scan, and length. I given for example 10. 10 is stored in length, right? So length is 10. Now enter the width of rectangle. I need to enter width. I expected I entered the value 10, 20. Now the width is 20. Now perimeter is 2 times of length plus width. What is length plus width? 10 plus 20, 30. 2 times of 30, 60. So perimeter is 60. Now print the perimeter of the rectangle is percentage of perimeter. The perimeter value will be printed here. What is the perimeter value? 60. So let us examine 10 plus 20 start to 60. 60 equal to 60. Our program is right. It will print 60 followed by this message. The perimeter of the rectangle is 60. Our program is right. That's it. It is a program. Don't worry if you are searching for Java program or Python program, just copy this program or algorithm, paste it in ChatGPT and task to convert into your required language. Else, any queries you ping me in comment. I will share the program which language you want. That's it. Thank you guys. I hope you understand. Goodbye.